Creative Art Classes with John-Marc. Today's lesson, how to draw a cartoon shake. Hey, it's John-Marc and welcome back to my series on teaching you cartoons, and I'm going to have a blast on this one. It's on a shake. I loved them as a kid and I still do. So what we're going to do first is the basic shape. This is straightforward. It's just like a cylinder. In this top part, I'm just working on the top right now and just sketching out the area for the top of the shake. Let me just get to the bottom there to get the whole distance from the top to the bottom and connect the two lines. I don't know about you, but I could go for a nice chocolate chip mint shake right now. Alright, so there's my crosshair again, indication for my eyes and for my mouth. Our little bud here does not have any nose. That was just by choice. So these are just the simple eyes. Again, when you're doing any of these drawings or watching my videos, you can change and customize the eyes and the face. You could add a nose yourself. That's totally cool. I just want you to use your imagination as well. You can even put a fun label on there if you want to. So here we go, and adding some eyebrows, and I shade those in really quick. And those are those quick speed lines. There we go. Let's work on his mouth right now. Big mouth. Yeah. That's it. Always happy. He's a happy shake. And let's get the lip there. That adds a little dimension to the visual. And then overlapping the teeth there from that back of the mouth helps along those lines for the tongue right now. Like a big M. Helps. All right. The bottom line down there. Okay, let's work on the straw. And I'm going to make a bent straw. I remember those kids, we had those little accordion ones where you could bend any shape. Those were fun, especially the circle ones and all those big long straws. In this case, I'm going to add little stripes on mine. I'm thinking of the holidays that we're coming up to right now. Let's color that one in, shade it in so we can distinguish when I come down to inking. And it's a good representation as a sketch so someone sees. And I like that. I'm going to color in very lightly and that back there so it gives some more dimension. Once again, that's why I choose a pencil over a marker. You can do a lot more sketching and more detail than a marker. And it's better skills that you'll learn. And let's finish up in the mouth there and put the bottom base on, and of course we need to sign it, date it, and we just completed this one. So I hope you enjoy this video, and thanks for watching. Check us out on Facebook, that's JMG Studio, and on our Instagram account, that's JMG Studio Cartoon. Oh, hey! I hope you enjoyed our video today, and make sure you hit the subscribe button, because then you can see all our old videos as well as the new ones that are coming up. Alright, thanks a lot. Take care.